Hey everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to enable in-stream ads on your Facebook so that you can start monetizing your videos and earn revenue from your content. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and view your page. So there are certain requirements for that. You can go over to facebook.com and open up your page first on your screen. So let me just go ahead and show you. This is my page right here. And as I said, there are certain requirements. So right now I do not have any followers or following, but in order to have in-stream ads, you need to have at least 10,000 followers in at least 600,000 total minutes views in the last 60 days across all of the videos, even live, uploaded or previously published. So you can look out for those kind of content and see it up. And you must also need to comply with Facebook's monetization policies. After you check it out, what you can do is you can go to Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite for your page. So we're gonna go to Meta Business Suite for this one. You can open up that on your screen as well. And once you are here on your page, you need to head over to monetization section here. So from here, what you may do is from your left hand side, look out for the monetization tool available. If you have that option enabled, like if you meet the requirement, you'll be finding an option of monetization. Right under the inbox, you need to go ahead and find it up and click on it, which should be available like this. So once you go over to monetization, it will open up this page with overview, in-stream ads, etc. Select this option called in-stream ads, and when you do, here you will be finding an option to go ahead and explore new ways to earn and different other settings. So what you need to do after you complete it up, what you may do is you may just go over and download this application file right here, which we will be leaving in the description, which is this one right here. So you can just go ahead and open up the file here, apply for in-stream ads, and you can right click on it, select the option of extracting it all and extract it. And there we go. So here you'll find the file location. Once you find out the file location, what you need to do is go over to your Chrome browser. Let me just show you. And go to the three dot in the top right corner and select the option of extensions. Go to manage extensions from here. And from here, you should be finding extensions. So make sure this option of developer mode is turned on. You can just go to enable it and make this small like this. So let me just go ahead and make it small. And you're gonna drag and drop the particular file that we extracted, this one right here. So let me just go ahead and make this one box smaller as well for easier access, and you can just go ahead and drag and drop it here, and there we go. So here you will be finding the apply for in-stream ads. You just need to go ahead and enable this option. If this option is disabled, enable it like this. And after you enable it, look out for this extension shortcut and pin it up. Once you pin it up, you just need to go ahead and open it up, and there we go. And here in this form, you need to give in the details. So here you need to provide in the page details. So once you reach over to the section, when you go over to the page, in the top of the page, you will be finding a URL. So for example, when you go to the monetization page, you will be finding a URL, something like this with a code. You just need to copy it up and head over to this page and go ahead and paste your ID here. And you need a reason for a request. So I'll just leave the text in the description. You can go ahead and copy and paste it, which is this one right here. So you can just go ahead and copy and paste it. We will also leave it in the description, as I said, and you can just go ahead and paste it here. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and provide in your page name here. So what is your page name? So my page name is this one right here, text. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it and go to this page right here and paste it. After you do so, here you can select up your monetization status. So you need to go ahead and snip out the particular screen like this of the monetization page, and after you do so, you need to paste it. So click on start and you can choose files and paste the particular image, and once you do so, you can click on start and it should start the progress, and wait for a couple of days for it to be completed, and that way you can apply for the in-stream ads that you're looking for. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process. For that, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.